CoinOut. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be talking about today. But first, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I do have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog that you might want to check out. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. And let's get right into this. So I'm going to put some bonus things in here as well. For example, there's another video I made called 100% Cashback, apps that pay you. Now, the thing is, the trick with this is to use a lot of these apps and get as much money back as you can. This is another app that you can use that's not on that video, by the way, but you can add to it the mix of that video. And I'll put links to the video for that video down below and here and there, wherever you find it in this video. But let's take a look at CoinOut. So earn cash back anywhere. Basically, there's an iOS store app and there's an Android app. You take pictures of your receipts and you instantly get cash back. Usually just a few cents here and there. Any receipt that you have. Now I do use other apps that do the exact same thing and get cash back. Now this was featured on Shark Tank as well. As you can see here, just take pictures of your receipts. You can also, if you're shopping online, you can click through these stores here and shop that way as well and get your cash back that way. So how it works, there are so many cash back apps. We think they are too complicated. With CoinOut, you get a random reward for every receipt you upload. You can also earn by shopping through CoinOut at online merchants and signing up through CoinOut partners. So, you know, I don't know if it's the easiest. Take a picture as your receipt. I use another app called Dosh, and I'll put a referral link for that as well. That's iOS and Android. Use my referral code. It's GregK21 for that app, and you get money for referring people as well. So thank you in advance. But that one, you just link up your debit cards and your credit cards to, and you get money back instantly without doing anything else. CoinOut, you don't have to sync any of your credit cards or any stuff like that, or your debit cards, but you do got to take pictures of your receipts and remember to do so. So it's a little bit more involved on that aspect. And then you see here online cash back. So and then when you get the money, you can transfer it to a gift card or PayPal or right to your bank account. So that's pretty cool as well. There's earn bonus cash as well. Look out for the this and that. The other thing, benefits. I'm not going to read all this stuff because you could go to the website and read it. But let's take a look at that. Here you go. Take a picture of the receipt. It'll scan it up there. And within 2 weeks of your purchase. So if you forget, you just keep your receipts for a couple of days or weeks or whatever. You still if you have some old ones even laying around, that you download the app right now, take a photo of them, and you're good to go. It's instant money cash back. Let's take a look at some of the reviews here on the iOS store. This is what I use, the iOS version of my iPhone. So it's a 4.7 out of 5. Very high ranking. Over 47,000 ratings, so that's a pretty good sign. Obviously, there's always going to be some bad ones, and there is a developer response if you read this stuff and all that good stuff. So check those out as well if you're interested in that. And then we have the Android feedback. It's 4.4 out of 5. Obviously, very nice high score as well, and of course the typical low scores. But you can see on average it's very high, and that's with 14,000 plus total reviews. So is it a scam? No, exactly no. You know, it's not a scam. Does it involve some work? Are you going to make lots of money doing this? Probably not too much money, but if you're going to go shopping, you have your receipts laying around, take pictures of them, get something back. And then what I do, again, I use another app called Dosh. I use another app called Rakuten. I use another app. In fact, let me pop these up here real quick for you, and you could actually join all these networks. You can join all these different apps and get money back, some of the cash apps back. Like Dosh is the one I was talking about. Rakuten's another one I use where I get cash back on purchases. And for those ones, you just, like I said, you sync your debit card, your credit cards, or all your cards, and whenever you shop, you just instantly get cash back. So they're pretty cool. And that's the whole idea. To just get money back from, you know, different apps, and you get more money back. And I even started using the Apple Card, which is an Apple for the Apple devices, obviously. But I get anywhere from 3%, 2%, 1%, depending on where I shop, back on that as well. So you get all this money back from different places. Check out this video as well, 100% cash back. And, you know, pretty soon you're getting, you know, instead of getting 3% back, you're getting 3% back plus 2% back from this place, another X amount of money from this place, another, you know, he's got all these different little streams of income for doing virtually nothing else that you normally do. You just go shopping as you normally would. Yes, with CoinOut, you do have to take pictures of receipts, or if you're doing it online, you don't have to take pictures of receipts. You have to go to their app though, and then purchase the stuff. So it's a pretty cool thing, worth checking out. Check it out. And check out these other apps as well if you want to maximize your cash back. It's pretty cool. Nothing too crazy. There's another one I use called it's called Cash Hog, or I forget the name, Receipt Hog. I completely forget the name of it. I get so many apps on my phone that's, you know, getting out of hand. But there's a lot of different apps you can use. Check them out. Try them out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.